the way you are teaching. I mean, I'm good with those things, but whatever the doubts I'm referring, those are different ones.
Okay, ask me, no problem.
Okay.
Ask me.
Okay. So, I mean, first one is be seated and sit down. Sit down, be seated. What is the difference?
Okay.
I thought like, I mean, almost same because PTA, PTA. I thought like sit down
Yes, I tell you, sit down.
and
Okay.
be seated. I mean,
Okay.
maybe you will cover all these things in future, but
No. It is very uncommon or common. I don't know, but
Okay.
I'll tell you that now. No problem.
Okay.
Actually, these are the things. Actually, they don't come in any grammar portion or like that.
Okay.
It is sometimes means we have problems. No problem.
Okay.
I tell you. Sit down. Actually, it is very casual talking.
Okay.
Me suppose you understand casual and formal. Formal means
Yeah.
when you are in an office and some visitors come to see you and you simply say, please be seated, sir. It means it is very formal, very polite. It is good. It is better when you are talking to your boss, some respected people like that. Sit down is very common. You can ask your dog to sit down.
So it means both are right, but the context is different.
Yes.
That's what you are saying.
Because
the meaning is also same for both.
Meaning is same, but be seated is polite.
Yeah.
Because suppose you are training your dog.
Okay.
You don't say be seated to your dog.
Okay. Okay.
You say sit down. So sit down is very common. You can use it for anyone, for animal, for birds, for people, for your servant, for anyone. But be seated means when you are talking to a respected person.
So normal, okay, that's fine. I understand. So the next one is leave alone and leave me alone.
It has a very big difference.
Okay.
Leave alone is a conjunction.
Okay.
Leave alone like not to speak of. We will learn that in conjunction.
Okay.
If the meaning of that leave alone, I tell you the meaning today, but we'll discuss that later in conjunction. Leave alone means sometimes we say like पानी की क्या बात ना चाय की क्या बात करते हो उसने तो मुझे पानी तक को नहीं पूछा. Do you understand? Suppose you are talking to someone and you are telling he means not to speak of tea. He didn't ask me even to have water.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Not to speak of politicians. Even a common man is corrupted.
Okay.
Like this is that. Leave alone or let alone or not to speak of. Same meaning. That we'll discuss later in detail. But leave me alone is an imperative sentence.
Okay.
Leave me alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो.
छोड़ दो. Okay.
Like this.
Okay. Got it.
This is the meaning.
Okay. Do not make excuses and do not tell excuses.
Actually, do not make excuses is better and formal sentence.
Okay.
Don't make
But
excuses.
meaning wise, both are same, right?
Yes,
Is there any difference in the meaning wise?
there is no difference. But
Okay.
but
This is formal
but
and
don't make excuses. This is formal. This is very
okay.
good to speak. This is official.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
one more thing I want to tell you, as we
Okay.
speak some sentences or some words in Hindi also. Like suppose we say, I want just may I go to bathroom, sir? May I go to bathroom? May I, where is the Waterloo? Actually, Waterloo, it is very common in the US or England. I don't know about US, but in England it is very common. The people, when they want to go to toilet, they ask, can you show me the way to Waterloo, please?
Okay.
Waterloo.
Okay.
Waterloo means toilet.
Okay.
So, what I want to say, the people speak, may I go to toilet, sir, instead of, or may I go to urinate? Urinate. Urinate. Still, it is okay if we speak urinate. The child wants to urinate. The patient wants to urinate. Please help him.
Okay.
Urinate. But abusive word is pee. In Hindi also. कि मैं बाथरूम चला जाऊं, एक हिंदी में बड़ा गंदा वर्ड है. इट्स ए वेरी एब्यूजिव वर्ड. हमारे यहाँ नॉर्थ में बहुत बोलते हैं. उसको बोलते हैं मूतना. यू अंडरस्टैंड?
No.
It is very abusive word. Mutna means the same, urinate.
Okay.
But it is very abusive word. For means in educated people, if you speak like that, I am going to mutna, it is very bad.
Okay.
Similarly, pee. Like if I say, somebody asks, where are you going? I am going to pee. It is abusive. I am going to urinate. It's okay.
Okay, but here in US they say like pee.
P is abusive word. P is abusive word. Meaning same. That I want to urinate, but abusive word. It is P. But doctor can speak like this.
Okay.
Doctor may ask you, what was the color of your pee in the morning?
Okay.
मतलब आपके पेशाब का रंग कैसा था? What was the color of your pee? Doctor can ask, but this is not abusive here.
Okay.
So what did you ask me?
Do not make excuses and do not tell excuses.
To make excuses is better. It is good to speak.
Okay.
Sometimes we speak lame excuses, you know. Lame.
Okay.
Lame excuses means very big excuses.
Okay.
He makes lame excuses always.
Okay.
Okay.
And the next one is stand next to me, stand beside me.
Yes, very good. Stand next to me, stand beside me. Now you see, little difference is there, but if we know the meaning, we understand. Stand next to me. Next come means the meaning of next is always the next.
Okay.
It is your turn, and after that, suppose I say I am the eldest. I am the eldest son of my parents.
Okay.
And next to me is my sister.
Okay.
What is this?
No, I didn't get you. You did not complete. Just I'm writing my doubt.
Okay.
We'll go.
Okay. We'll go ahead later. First, let me clear that.
Yes,
Actually,
yes.
next means the next. Like, I am the eldest son of my parents. Okay.
Okay.
Don't focus on that. Please listen to me.
Okay.
I am the eldest son of my parents. Next to me is my sister, and next to her is my younger brother.
Okay.
And then next to him is my sister again, and then next to her again my youngest sister. Next means next.
Okay.
Please stand next to me. Means after me.
Okay.
But when you speak stand beside me means by the side, bagal mein.
Okay.
Like
Got it.
this.
Okay. I wrote the next one. Good.
Yes, you have written no, it is not.
Okay. Yes.
No, it is not. Same meaning, no difference.
Both are same.
Yes.
Okay. The next one.
I am not. I am not same.
Okay. Next. My pants were torn out. My pants were torn out. Which one is correct? I mean,
You have written two. I didn't get.
no. I'm saying my pants was torn out.
Pants.
Yeah.
Pants means trouser.
Because I thought like pants means single word, singular.
Singular, it's okay. But remember one thing. Here,
Okay.
I want to make it very clear.
Okay.
Whenever
Okay.
the two, like pants means there are two legs.
Okay.
A pant always has two legs.
Okay.
Scissors always has two blades.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
it is always called scissors.
Okay.
Pants, trousers, specs,
Okay.
trousers, shoes,
Okay.
socks.
Okay.
It is always with S. Okay. But how can you recognize whether it is singular or plural?
Yes.
This is the question.
Okay. Yes.
You know socks? We never say
Yes.
sock. Socks, shoes, trousers,
Yes.
specs,
Yes.
Caesars.
Yes.
Caesars. But when
Yes.
you are talking about one, when you go to a shop and you want to buy that Caesar, only one, that time you say, I want a pair of Caesars, please.
Pair of means I didn't get you.
Whenever we have to, we always use for singular a pair of Caesars. You can't say I need one Caesar, it is wrong.
Caesars. I cannot say.
You cannot speak one Caesar, two Caesars, three Caesars. No. A
Okay.
pair of Caesars.
Okay. I cannot say like I want Caesars.
मुझे दो कैंची दो भाई. I need two pairs of Caesars.
Two means like I need to count. You need to say.
One and one more.
Okay.
If I want to buy three,
Yes.
I should say
Yeah,
I
I
need
understand.
three pairs of Caesars.
Yes, I understand that part. My question is, my pants was torn
I
out.
am coming to that. I am
Okay.
coming to that, but first you must understand. I need a pair of trousers.
Okay. Okay.
Now you have written two sentences. They both may be correct. They both may be wrong.
Okay.
Why? How? Because you have pants. It may be a singular. It may be a plural. You have not mentioned. My pants were. It may be a plural. It may be a singular. Because you have not written my pair of pants, my two pair of pants, my three pair of pants were torn out, or my pair of pants was torn out. Clear? Did you get? Means you are talking about one pant, two pants, three pants. You
Suppose
decided.
if I am talking about one pant.
Then it should be my pair of pants was torn out. My pair of pants was torn out because this is one pant.
Okay.
But when you are talking about two, my pairs of pants were torn out.
Okay.
Clear? So you have to decide whether
If I don't put anything like a pair or pairs, what
it
will
is
happen?
wrong. No meaning. I don't understand. Because you have to speak pair. Otherwise, how can I understand whether you are talking about a pant, two pants, three of the pants?
Got it.
That's why I told you that pair of Caesars.
Okay. Yeah, I understand that, but last time you told me that one.
My.
Okay. Okay. The next one is, yesterday was my friend's birthday. Okay.
Actually, grammatically, it is wrong.
Okay. And it was my friend's birthday yesterday.
That's good.
Okay. Yesterday was my friend's birthday is wrong.
Yes. Because just if you think deeply, you'll come to know yesterday was my friend's birthday.
Yes.
Yesterday birthday था.
वही बता रहा हूँ मैं.
तो गलत है ना ये. Yesterday was a king, not possible. Yesterday was my friend's birthday, not possible. Yesterday कुछ कैसे हो सकता है?
Okay.
Getting my point?
Okay.
Just try to understand. I am telling you the very, deep things.
Okay.
Just try to understand. We should say it was. My
Okay.
friend's birthday yesterday. Yesterday was yesterday was a king. Yesterday was a girl. Yesterday was a man. Not possible. Yesterday was a birthday of my friend. Absolutely wrong. Yesterday cannot be anything.
Understand. Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah. That's it.
Okay. Next. But you are asking me very good and interesting things.
Okay.
It is
Yeah,
very
it's
useful for other students also.
Yeah, I was studying yesterday, so I came to these questions and okay, let me ask you so that you will clarify.
I am happy that you are asking me such things. These are deep things, and these are the you are in the ocean, but you are now going at the bottom of the ocean.
Got it.
Otherwise, people actually swim on the top only. They don't go into the deep to find out the pulse. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah. No, for today that is
So
that's it.
these were interesting questions. Okay. So let's move that next subject plus model, have, third form of verb plus object. That we are going to study. We are going to use may here first, or we will use might, and we will use must all together in that form. May, might, must. You know the basic meaning of may, might, and must. Now, when I use may, like, what's your mother doing? You are here, your mother is in India, you think it is 6 p.m. in the evening. You may be thinking, my mother may have cooked food now, or by now. Possibility, how much? 70%, maybe 80. But you are not sure, you are doubtful. You say, a mother might have cooked food by now. 10 to 20% of the possibility. मेरी माँ ने जरूर खाना बना लिया होगा. Must have. My mother must have cooked food by now. अब तक तो जरूर बना लिया होगा. 100% possibility. He might have accepted my proposal. He might have received my letter. And now I am expecting his reply. उसको मेरा लेटर मिल गया होगा. He might have received my letter. Now I tell you a very good situation here to understand that in a better way. Suppose a boy jumps from a wall. Children, they are playing. One of the boys jumps from the wall. And you are watching them, you are observing them playing and jumping. And that boy jumps, and after jumping, that boy starts limping. Langlani lagao. You are watching through the window of your house. They are playing outside in the park. One of the boys jumps from the wall. After jumping, that boy starts limping, right?
Yeah.
That time you think the jumping might have sprained his leg. His leg or his ankle.
Okay.
Because he is limping after jumping. तो आप बोलते हैं कि जंप करने से हो सकता है उसके एंकल में मोच आ गई हो, मोच आई होगी.
Right.
Jumping might have sprained his ankle. He must go to the doctor immediately. Must.
Okay.
Strong suggestion for a purpose. He must consult with the doctor.
Okay.
He must go to a doctor who can treat him well. I am using models.
Yeah.
Okay. So that might have or must have, जरूर मोच आई होगी, like this.
Okay.
But now I am telling you could here first with this same example in this form. One of the boys jumps from the wall, and that is very high wall. It is very dangerous, and he jumps, but nothing happens to him. He is okay. But you were afraid. Oh, jumping could have sprained his leg, his ankle. Meaning, jumping might have sprained. शायद मोच आई होगी. अभी कुछ नहीं हुआ उसको. आपने कहा तुम्हारे को मोच आ सकती थी, तुम इस तरीके से कूदे कि तुमको मोच आ सकती थी. जंपिंग कुड हैव स्प्रेन्ड योर लेग, मगर आई नहीं, आ सकती थी. दिस इज द डिफरेंस.
Here you are giving caution to the children, like, right?
What?
Can you repeat again this meaning of this sentence, please?
Boy jumps from the wall. You are watching. After jumping, that boy starts limping, and you think कि इस बच्चे को जरूर मोच आई होगी. Jumping might have sprained his ankle.
Yes.
Now, wall is very high. It is very dangerous, and jumping from that wall is dangerous. You know it, but still, the children, they are jumping, they are playing, and one of the boy jumps from there, but nothing happens to him. He is quite okay. He is walking perfectly. That time you were afraid, oh my God, jumping could have sprained his ankle. जंपिंग से उसकी एंकल को मोच आ सकती थी मगर आई नहीं. I am telling you that example to make it clear the difference. Might have third form, could have third form.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
आ सकती थी मगर आई नहीं.
Okay.
Might have शायद आ गई हो. Like this. Somebody has taken poison to commit suicide. Suppose somebody has consumed, I should not talk such sentences here, but I am just giving you an example.
That's fine. Yeah.
My intention is not wrong.
Yeah, I understand your intention.
This is disclaimer.
Okay.
My intention is not wrong here. If somebody has consumed poison to commit suicide, but anyhow he or she was saved by the doctor,
Okay.
then we simply say, you could have died. You consumed poison in a large quantity. But you must be thankful to the doctor. The doctor is very good. He saved your life. Otherwise, you could have died. तुम मर गए होते, मर सकते थे. Or you would have died. अभी आ रहा हूं मैं उस पर. You would have. मर सकते थे. शायद मर गया हो. You are not sure. He might have died. Good. Now would. Past conditional sentence.
Okay.
Like if you had invited me, to attend your birthday celebration, I would have definitely come. अगर आप मुझे बुलाते तो मैं जरूर आता. If you had invited me to attend your birthday celebration, I would have come. Or I would have definitely come. Sometimes instead of if I had, we simply say had. Had you invited me. Same meaning. If you had invited me or had you invited me, same meaning.
Okay. Got it.
If I had been in US, in your city, if I had been in US, in your city, I would have had a cup of tea with you. अगर मैं यूएस में होता, आपके शहर में होता, तो मैं आपके साथ बैठ के एक कप चाय पीता. I would have had a cup of tea. This is past conditional. कि ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता. If you had repaired your house earlier, if you had repaired your house earlier, it wouldn't have collapsed. If you had taken him to the hospital earlier, he wouldn't have died. तो वो मरता नहीं. Like this.
Understand. Okay.
Next, could, would, now should. You should have locked the door before you went out. आपको दरवाजे का ताला लगाना चाहिए था बाहर जाने से पहले. चाहिए था, ऐसा करना चाहिए था. You should have consulted with a good doctor, but you didn't. It is like that. You should have come here yesterday, but you didn't. Like this, you can use should. So should, could, would, might, may, must. You can use these models in that form. Next form is very simple. Model plus have plus been plus V4 plus object plus for since plus time. We use may, might, must, would.
Okay.
If you had given me a boy, a son is talking to his father. If you had helped me to take admission in that college, if you had helped me to take admission in that college, I would have been studying there for 2 years. अगर आप मेरे को हेल्प करते इस कॉलेज में जाने के लिए तो मैं 2 साल से वहां पढ़ रहा होता. तो would have been V4 you can use. May, might, must you can use in the same way. Like what's your mother doing? She might have been cooking food for an hour. Must be cooking. Children must be playing there for many hours, I know. Must have been playing. When you are talking about time, children must have been playing outside for many hours. like this. So we still have some time. I would like to tell you that I think I told you the family of Ken.
What is that?
Family of Ken.
No. No.
I think I told you. Okay, no problem.
Okay, give me some hint if I can recollect those.
Can means we use in present, like I can do that.
Yes.
I will do that. Sorry, I can do that. But when, how you use can in past, and past we use could.
Good. Okay.
For future we use I will be able.
Okay.
Like you will be able to eat 10 bananas. This is the will be able means this is the future of can.
Yes.
मैं खा सकूंगा. मैं 10 केले खा सकूंगा. मैं 1 महीने बाद अंग्रेजी बोल सकूंगा.
Okay.
I will be able to speak good English after 1 month.
Okay.
It's okay. But sometimes we say like I have been able to speak English now. I have been able to speak English. Have been or had been? Did you understand that?
Yeah.
I have been able to speak English now. Means in Hindi we speak like that कि अब जाके मैं सीख पाया हूँ, अब जाके मैं बोल सकता हूँ, मीन्स आई हैव बीन एबल मतलब अब बोल पा रहा हूँ. कैसे बोलेंगे हिंदी में? Did you get the meaning? अब जाके सीख पाया हूँ. अब जाके अंग्रेजी बोलना सीख पाया हूँ. आई हैव
Seek paya means I learned or not learned.
अब सीख गया हूँ.
Okay. I've been able to speak English now. मतलब I'm able to do now. Earlier, I was not able to speak properly, but अभी क्लास जाने के बाद I'm able to.
Yes.
That is the meaning.
I am able means हो गया कि मैं अभी कर पाऊँ. I have been able मतलब सीख गया हूँ, वही मतलब है.
Yeah.
परफेक्ट में हो गई ये चीज. परफेक्ट टेंस. Had been able में पास्ट परफेक्ट में चले गए. Like this.
Okay.
So it is like that. So I think it is the topic is almost over.
Okay.
That means models.
Okay.
But we'll study passive of models.
Okay.
In our next lesson.
Okay. And one question.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
How to write time sentences and supposing we have like year, month, day, hours, minutes, which one comes first? You know what I'm saying? Like, okay.
Speak any sentence.
Sorry?
Give me any sentence, then I'll tell
Okay.
you.
Okay. And I've been attending like football class uh, since 1995. I mean, since 2020. I mean, January 14th. At something like my sentence में पूरा लगाना है तो which one comes first? Time, day, year, or year, uh, month, day, time. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Which one पहले आता है बाद में कौन सा पहले आता है? I mean,
देखो लिखते हैं अपन.
hmm?
I write it here.
Okay. You understand my question, right? Confusion, what I have.
I started my classes
Hmm.
with Mr. X
Hmm.
Listen, first of all, you have to speak about the date.
Okay.
On 9th, maybe 9th, I'm not sure which date it was, 9th of June 2020. On which day it was? You started 15th.
Okay.
15th of June.
Okay.
It was 15th. So I write it 15th first. 15th.
Okay.
15th of June.
Monday.
On
15th
Monday. On Monday at 5 p.m. It is like that.
Okay. Okay.
Date first.
Okay.
After that day.
Okay.
Or if you want to write year first, then you must write year then month.
Okay, got it.
In 2020, in the month of June,
So
on
it's,
listen. In suppose in the year 2020, in the year 2020, in the month of June, on Monday at 5 p.m. क्या है क्या हो अच्छा एक मिनट
okay.
It is like that. In the year 2020, in the month of June, on Monday at 5. So you must remember the preposition. In the year, in the month, on Monday at 5 p.m. It is like that.
The sequence is year, month, day, and time, something like that. You are saying the descending order.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Not like at 5 p.m. Monday,
No.
June 2020. Okay, that is my confusion. Okay, got it.
Because
Thank you.
year is more respected than
Okay.
month. Than month,
Okay.
because year is big.
Okay.
Months are the children of the year.
Got it.
तो पहले तो बाप ही आएगा ना.
Yes, definitely. Yes.
उसके बाद बच्चे आएंगे. And then weeks are in the month.
Yes. Okay.
तो फिर even in fourth week of the month June, like this, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो.
Okay, got it.
So like this. So